what I do to get luxury items, because Chanel bags are not cheap, and trust me, they are all real, no fakes. We don't do fake here. I'm almost in my 40s, so you do not expect me to do fake. It's not that those buying fakes is bad. Hi ladies, welcome back. My name is Nancy. Ladies, today I'm going to answer a question more depth because I feel I did not answer completely, so honestly, and also maybe some of you ladies would need this video. But first, before we go on, I want to introduce you to my books, How to Go Out Alone to Attract a High Value Millionaire and Positive Affirmation for Black Women. Books are on Amazon, my ladies, and this book will empower you to build your own confidence, to enjoy going out alone, help you to attract a man, and also if you have not watched the full playlist of how to marry a millionaire and how to go out alone to attract a high value man, the playlist will be left at the pinned comments or the description box. Trust me, you don't want to miss watching them. How I save to get all these luxuries. These are my secrets. This is my confession. Anyways, number one, save on flights. Ladies, I love traveling, but I don't waste money on flights. Although I don't purchase with my money because I don't work. The only work I have is social media. This is why I'm asking you ladies to buy my book to help a sister to be more independent. Back to our topic. I don't waste money on flying business class or first class. I've done that while I was single. I don't need all that now, and I'm not really a social media person that posts so much. Only until now I started my YouTube channel. Now if you are a single girl, I'm not talking to you. Single girls, you need to fly business so you can meet your affluent man. I've made a video about that. That video will be left up here or at the pinned comment. If you are a single lady, you need to fly business if you can't afford a first class ticket. I fly economy to enable me save that money to get just another Chanel bag whenever I travel, instead of spending extra in fancy seats. I tell my husband, please book me economy and give me the extra cash. That's where I get to enjoy my trip and come home with a new bag. Ladies, it's about being smart with your money, because then again, if I'm going to fly economy, I already have a black card that can let me access to the lounges for free. Getting access into the lounges, I can still make the connections, and when I go to Chanel shop, I still make the connections. But if you're a single girl, this is not for you. It's for married couple that is thinking, how does this girl have all these bags? How much does she make? I'm not working. I don't have any income at the moment. Solemnly on my kind husband. Number two, no Botox, no problem. Another thing that helped me to save, some of us ladies, we spend thousands of dollars in getting lip fillers, Botox. I'm not saying it's bad. I'm not criticizing it. I encourage it if you think that will help to improve your confidence. But ladies, let me tell you a secret. The secret to looking ageless, happy, and stress-free life is when you marry a provider man. That is the true, real beauty, happiness. Quote me wrong in the comment section. A provider man will help you to stay wrinkle-free, stress-free, although I'm stressed because of my kids. 3, and you look younger. Ladies, this alone helps you to look wrinkle-free and no need for injections. Just love, care, and little self-care every now and then. You are covered. 3, salary strategy. Ladies, at the point where I stopped working and started having babies, I ensure to inform my husband, this is the amount you'll be giving me every month. If you agree, we can go ahead. If you know, I'm not desperate to be a missus, and he agreed. And then the next step I did, I stopped sending my salary to my family back home, because that is something that was draining me. I sent 90%, over 90% of my salary to people back home. So when I stopped, I started prioritizing myself, spoiling myself with the money I get as salary. Now, I now use the money my husband gives me to buy the things I love and I want, without asking for permission or making excuses to be able to get all these things. And you know what, ladies? It is called financial independence in marriage. It's not salaries, maintenance money, let's put it this way. Number 4, gift from my man. Ladies, another thing that helped me to be able to afford all these luxury items is gift from my partner. Special occasions. This is a great way to build your collections. For ladies, we are entitled to 4 gifts in a year, even if it's the smallest, it's a spoon. For example, this Valentine, I only got a pair of socks. I told my husband, this pair of socks, €2. I think I recorded him. I was talking about it. I said, I need a new bag. It's like, all the bags you have, you're not wearing it. So I got a pair of socks, €2 socks. When you married a kind man, ladies, you won't have to wish for luxury. He will spoil you. If your black boyfriend is not doing you well, get a white man. I've said it. Cancel who do not appreciate you. It must not be a Chanel purse. It might be something smaller, but he has to appreciate you. All of us cannot marry a millionaire, but it is important for all of us to marry a provider man. Number 5, luxury over spending. Ladies, a lot of us waste money over fast fashion. I've been in that position before, but then I told myself, okay, this is complete waste of fund and it's unnecessary subscription. Why buy something today and after washing, wear it 2-3 times, it's all gone? I rather spend more, save more on buying something that will last me, if not a lifetime, but I focus on quality instead of quantity. And I rather invest on one timeless piece, one bag or one dress like this one, for example, than investing in 10 cheap that will last me long time. Also, I always tell my ladies, it's all about long-term luxury over short-term spendings, my ladies. Number 6, smart shopping and resale. Ladies, I'm always in the lookout for deals, and I shop pre-loved. I always check out for pre-loved because pre-loved you get VIP discounts and you can even resell the bags. Some of my items that I don't use anymore, I resell them again and make extra money because I love to collect unique pieces. And I think I've not mentioned in this channel, I used to be a personal shopper, so I know how to source for these things. When I buy, I don't like it anymore, I sell it off. And yeah, that's it. And get a new one. Luxury isn't all about spending, my ladies. It's about spending wisely, my ladies. If you want to build your luxury collection and you want to live a life of luxuries and abundance, choose your husband wisely. Marry well. Spend smartly and prioritize yourself. Forget about sending money every now and then in Africa. What did not happen, they will tell you it happens. Before you know, you don't look like your mate and you become jealous. I know bags and shoes, they are not completely investment, but I can tell you bags are investment for me. There are some of my purses that I've bought long ago, luxury bags. Selling some this year, I've made extra income from this. Jewelry, when I try to resell jewelries, it did not yield so much. And shoes, no, I need to make a video about shoes. Shoes do not have good resale value, but bags, the market now, only if the market changes, but for bags, I've made so much from it, and I will still continue making from it. So ladies, do not forget to purchase a copy of my book, How to Go Out Alone and Positive Affirmation for Black Women. So ladies, let me know what you think about this. Please do like, share my videos. Let me know the kind of videos you would love to see next on this channel, and I will see you on the next one. Good luck.